Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to either enable or disable JavaScript in Mozilla Firefox web browser. So whether it be for development or security reasons, you may want to consider turning it off or turning it off. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox browser. And then dito lang sa searching address bar ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung about and then colon and then next config. Ayan. So, kailangan mo lang i-type yung about colon config C-O-N-F-I-G. So, one word po yan and then press mo lang yung enter. Okay, so makikita mo itong proceed with cautions. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong accept. Okay, so dito sa search preferences dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung javascript.enabled. Ayan. So, once tinype mo na tong javascript.enabled, automatic mga kaibigan, mag-a-appear dito sa gitna. Okay, kung paano ba natin enable or disable ang JavaScript. So, dito lang sa right side, makikita mo tong icon na to kapag click mo yan. Kapag nakita mo dito sa taas na true, so ibig sabihin naka-enable siya. So, and then, kapag click mo tong icon na yan, and then naging false, so ibig sabihin ay naka-disable siya. So, napakasimple lang talaga kung paano natin enable or disable yung JavaScript. Ayan. So, i-click mo lang ganito. Right? So, ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin enable or disable JavaScript in Mozilla Firefox browser. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.